10. Integration and expansion. Living your awakening every day. Hello my beautiful soul. Take a moment to really feel this. We are here, day 10. 10 days ago, you may have clicked on day 1 out of curiosity. Or maybe because something deep inside whispered, this is what you have been waiting for. And over these days, you have done something extraordinary. You didn't just consume content, you showed up for yourself, for your heart, for your spirit. So before we begin, I want you to place a hand on your heart and say this softly. I am proud of myself. I am grateful for this journey. I am ready to live my awakening. And this moment is not the end of something. It's the opening of a new way of living. Because an awakened life is not just an idea. It's how you move, speak, love, and breathe every single day. So, if we looking back, the seeds you have planted. Let's pause and honor the road you have walked. You have learned in day 1, discovered you are not your thoughts. In day 2, learned to become the calm witness of your mind. Day 3, felt your own vibrational field. Day 4, released emotional baggage that weighted you down. Day 5, entered the present moment, life's true home. Day 6, found stillness in the middle of noise. Day 7 is opened to your intuition and higher guidance. Day 8, chosen love over fear. And day 9, stood as your authentic, unmasked self. You have planted 9 beautiful seeds of awakening. And now on day 10, you will learn how to keep watering them so they grow strong and unshakable. So what integration truly means? Integration is about embodiment. It's not about remembering spiritual ideas for special moments. It's about becoming them. When a singer truly integrates music, they don't think about each note and the music flows naturally. And when a dancer integrates movement, the steps are not mechanical, they are part of the dancer's soul. And integration means you stop trying to be awakened and you live awakened naturally, effortlessly, and consistently. So here are the signs you are living your awakening. You notice when your mind tries to pull you into drama and you gently return to presence. You feel calm even when life isn't perfect. You don't rush to fix or control everything. You allow life to unfold naturally. You appreciate small, ordinary moments in a way you never did before. And you feel guided, as though life itself is walking with you, not against you. And here are the practical ways to stay in this energy. Number 1, morning alignment. Before your phone, before the noise, before the rush, give yourself 60 seconds. Breathe and smile. And place your hand on your heart. And say, today, I choose presence. I choose love. I choose to live awake. Number 2, sacred actions in daily life. Whether you are cooking dinner, answering emails, or sweeping the floor, do it with awareness. Awakening is not separate from life. Awakening is life. Number 3, protect your energy field. Limit the time you spend in draining conversations or environments. Cleanse your space with light, sound, nature, or stillness. And nourish your body with food that feels alive. And number 4, keep curiosity alive. When a challenge comes, instead of spiraling into why is this happening to me, ask, what is this teaching me? What deeper part of me is being awakened here? And number 5, return to the breath. The simplest and most powerful integration tool. Because whenever you feel scattered, stop and take 3 slow deep breaths. And your breath is the anchor that always brings you back. And now let's talk about expansion, sharing your light with the world. And here is the beautiful truth. Your awakening is not just for you. Every person you interact with will feel your energy, and it can change their life in ways you may never see. Your peaceful presence may help a stranger breathe easier. Your kind words may soften someone's hard day. Your authenticity may inspire someone to remove their own mask. And you are now a living lighthouse. You don't need to try to shine. You being naturally lights the path for others. And as you give light, you receive it back multiplied. That's how the universe works. So today's practice is this, the commitment to live awake. I want you to write this and place it somewhere. You will see it daily. I choose to live my awakening today and every day. I choose to live my awakening today and every day. Not someday, not when I have more time, not when life is calm, but today, right here, right now. Because living awake isn't about waiting for perfect conditions. It's about showing up fully in the conditions you have. And when you forget, and you will, I want to be honest with you, there will be days you feel disconnected. Days when you slip into old patterns, when fear or stress takes over. But remember, the measure of awakening is not never forgetting. It's how quickly you remember again. Every time you notice you have drifted, smile, take a breath and return to your true self. And that's integration in action. And here are my blessings for you. May you walk in presence. May love guide your words, your thoughts, and your steps. May you trust your inner light when the world feels dark. May you live each day as the awakened soul you are. And if you joined me partway or want to revisit, the full series playlist link is in the description and pinned comment. These teachings will deepen every time you hear them, because you will be different every time you return. So here is the journey beyond day 10. This is not the end. It is the doorway into the rest of your life. Keep walking, keep remembering, keep returning. And I am so deeply proud of you. You didn't just watch a series. You answered the call of your soul. And the world is brighter because of it. Until we meet in the next chapter of our journey, live with presence, live with love, live as the awakened you, the authentic you. Live your life, enjoy your life fully. I send you love, peace, and healing.